We are going to focus on these four in such a manner that we score full marks in all these four tasks. So on day one only, you have already prepared the 200 marks paper. So this video will help you in cracking your PTE exam in just 8 days. If you have your PTE exam in just 10 days or in just a week, this video is certainly for you. This video will help you in cracking your PTE exam in just 8 days. So this video is all about scoring 80 plus in your PTE exam in only 8 days. Yes, it is totally right. And if you want to do the same, you need to watch the video until the end. So basically, I have divided all the 8 days in such a manner that you are going to practice all the question types one by one. You are going to focus more on the question types which are going to give you more scores and on the low priority question types at the end. So let's get started. Hello everyone, I am Sonam Sandhu from PTE Made Easy, and I prepare videos in order to help you guys in cracking your PTE exam. Trust me guys, PT आसान है. You simply need to follow the right strategies as well as the right person. Let's get started. So basically now we are going to start with day 1. Day 1 is the day in which we are going to focus on high priority question types. So basically the high priority list of questions is the list in which we have only 4 question types in total. We are going to focus on these 4 in such a manner that we score full marks in all these 4 tasks. Now, every single question type on day 1 is basically the one which will give you somewhere around 50 marks each. Okay, so let's start with PT speaking read aloud. This particular question type contributes 44 marks in total, and here you are going to get the scores in reading and speaking module 22 marks each. So you simply have to read a text of around 4 to 5 lines, practice it and speak it aloud. That's what the task is all about. So you can easily score these 44 marks if you practice it thoroughly. And I'll also tell you the number of questions that you have to practice on a regular basis, which will help you in cracking your PTE exam with 80 plus and in 8 days. Hai na? Okay. Now coming to question number 2. Here we have PT speaking repeat sentence, and this particular question is the highest scoring amongst the list of 20 question types. Here you are going to get 52 marks in total, 32 marks for speaking module and 20 marks for listening module. You simply listen to a sentence and then you have to repeat the same. That's what the task is. Repeat sentence. Listen to a sentence, memorize it and repeat it. That's what the task is all about. Okay, or we can say we can use LMS strategy here: listen, memorize and speak. Coming to the third task, that is PT reading and writing fill in the blanks. So basically the drop down blanks are known as PT reading and writing fill in the blanks. What exactly are you going to do here? In the drop down blanks you will get a question, okay, in which you will have 4 to 5 blanks. And for every single blank you will get 4 to 5 options. You have to select the suitable option for the same, but many students face difficulty in this particular question type, and if you want to score full marks, 44 marks in this question type, I would suggest you to go through my PT reading playlist. In that playlist there is a video in which I have explained you thoroughly on the grammar technique used for PT reading and writing drop down blanks. Coming to the question number 4 for day 1, that is PT listening right from dictation. This question is also quite scoring and it will give you 47 marks in total, 20 for listening and 27 for writing. Now here this particular question type is the one in which is quite similar to actually PT speaking repeat sentence. Here also you are going to listen to a sentence, but rather than speaking it you are going to write it down. So that's it for day 1. So on day 1 we are practicing somewhere around 4 tasks, okay, or we can say 4 tasks in total, and every single task will give you around 50 marks each. So on day 1 only you have already prepared the 200 marks paper. So the total question paper, the total marks are 360, okay, and you have already prepared for 200 marks. So that's the satisfaction you are going to get on day one, and this satisfaction will not only result in confidence, in boosting your confidence, but also in helping you prepare for the exam thoroughly. Okay, now coming to day 2. Now when we are shifting from day 1 to day 2, it doesn't mean you are going to leave the day 1 question type. So basically on day 1, every single question type you are going to practice at least 50 times, so that you get comfortable with the question types and later on you will not face any problem. Now coming to day 2, day 2 is the day in which we have taken the intermediate level question or intermediate priority question. So the first one here is PT speaking describe image, which will give you 22 marks. Then PT speaking retail lecture, again 22 marks. So third one is PT writing summarize written text, 20 marks, and PT listening summarize spoken text, 25 marks. So if you practice these 4 question types thoroughly, you will be eligible for somewhere around 270 marks in total. I would suggest you to focus on these 4 thoroughly, okay, or around 280 marks in total. These 4 thoroughly you just practice and you are going to score pretty well. Now if you do not know how to attempt a particular question type, for the same you can simply go through our playlist and you will find reading, listening, writing, speaking, grammar, templates playlist as well, and you simply follow the same and start preparing for the exam. Again, here when you are practicing, I would suggest you to practice at least 10 to 15 questions of each particular question type. Okay. Now coming to day 3. Day 3 is the day in which the low priority or the lowest priority tasks have been taken. So the first one here is PT writing essay. Here you are going to get 12 marks in total. Then PT reading fill in the blanks, 15 marks. Okay, here we do not have drop down blanks. We have 4 to 5 blanks, and for 4 blanks we have 6 to 7 options. So we have to select the best option out of those 7 options. Then we have PT listening highlight incorrect words, 17 marks. PT listening fill in the blanks, 14 marks. These 4 are the ones which are going to have the lowest, I won't say lowest priority, but we can say these 4 along with PT speaking answer short questions or reorder paragraphs are going to come under the lowest priority one amongst the list of around 14 to 15 tasks. Okay, so focus on these 4, and for the PT writing, essay writing part, we already have the template. Simply go through our template playlist. I'll share the link above, and on the basis of that playlist, try incorporating the same template in your essay, and with the help of that you can easily score 12 out of 12 in essay writing as well. Because try to understand, in PT writing you just get 20 minutes, and in those 20 minutes you have to write an essay, you have to understand, you have to think of the ideas, and that's not possible. That's quite difficult. So what exactly do you need to do? You need to focus on this, okay, by focusing on the template, by incorporating the template. So for the same, go and watch the video. The link is shared above. Okay, now we are done with total of 12 question types, and with these 12 question types only we'll be able to score somewhere around 335 marks. So we have already prepared the major portion of the PTE exam, and every single day we are going to practice some questions of the same. So for example, on day 1 around 50 questions each, on day 2 around 15 questions each, on day 3 again around 15 questions each. Now coming to day 4. Day 4 is the day in which we are going to practice PT speaking, answer short questions, which contributes only 8 marks, and PT reading reorder paragraphs, which contributes only 6 marks. So 14 marks, day 4, 14 marks we have prepared, and now only 12 marks are left. So we have already prepared the part of 348 marks, 368 नहीं 48, because total जो scoring है वो हमारी 360 में से होती है. So So 348 marks का हम prepare, we have already done the preparation of 348 marks. So definitely until the day 4 you will be totally confident. You will know that we have practiced almost every single question type, and now you just have to focus on the practicing part. You need not to focus on the strategies, as you have already mastered the strategies. So coming to the day 4 and the remaining question types, which can be skipped if you want to score 80 plus, these 6 question types can easily be skipped. PT reading MCQs, single and multiple choice. Both the questions are going to carry somewhere around 1 or 2 marks each. So you can skip these 2 question types. Again, we have multiple choice questions for PT listening as well. Single option and multiple options. So you have to choose single option, and in the other question type you have to choose multiple options. So you can skip these 2 question types of listening as well. Again, 1 to 2 marks each. Now we have 2 more question types, and those 2 question types are for listening module. PT listening highlight incorrect word and PT listening highlight correct summary. The remaining 1 or 2 marks each. So total scoring of these 6 tasks is just 12 marks. So you can easily skip these 12 questions if you wish to, or there is a better alternative of the same. You may just practice 10 to 15 questions, only 10 to 15 questions in the all 8 days. In the whole journey of preparation of 8 days, simply practice 12 to 15 questions of these 6 question types, which I have already asked you to skip. But if you do not want to skip, you better practice 12 to 15 questions of the same, and rest is okay. And do not devote more time on solving these question types in your PT exam as well, because it will waste a lot of your time of the important question types as well. So when you get the low priority or the lowest priority, these 6 are the lowest priority questions. So when you get questions like such, these questions can be skipped, or you should not devote a lot of time on these questions. Now we are already done with day 4, and we have done all the question types, all the 20 question types. Now we are going to focus on what? We'll simply focus on practicing. Okay, so now I have divided it into 3 parts: high priority, intermediate priority and low priority. So high priority questions we are going to practice on day 5, day 6 and day 7. Every single day we are going to practice all the 4 high priority questions which we did on day 1. PT speaking read aloud, repeat sentence, fill in the blanks reading and writing, and write from dictation. 50 each you have to do on these 3 days. 50 questions each. Do not skip, because these are going to give you the best scores or the maximum number of scores. Again, on day 5, day 6 and day 7 we are going to do intermediate priority questions as well, but these we are going to do only 20 each. Okay, PT speaking describe image, PT speaking read and lecture, summarize written text, and PT speaking spoken text. Okay, 20 questions each. Medium priority, intermediate priority questions are these. Now again on day 5, day 6 and day 7 we are going to practice high priority, intermediate priority and low priority questions as well. So high priority 50 each, intermediate priority 20 each, low priority essay writing 2 daily, only 2 questions daily. Okay, and go through my 42 questions, latest 42 questions playlist of PT essay writing. You simply need to prepare these 42 questions and you will be all set for your PT essay writing. Okay, so just practice those 42. The link is shared above. Okay, now every other question type 10 daily. So which all 10 daily? PT reading fill in the blanks 10 questions daily on day 5, day 6 and day 7. PT listening highlight incorrect words 10 questions daily, day 5, day 6 and day 7. PT listening fill in the blanks 10 questions daily, day 5, day 6, day 7. And PT speaking and PT reading. PT speaking short question answers and PT reading reorder paragraphs. Only 10 questions on day 5, day 6 and day 7. Now we are left with only 6 questions and we are going to skip those 6. As I have already told you, you can practice somewhere around 10 to 15 questions of the least priority, of the skippable question types, MCQs and listening highlight, incorrect words and correct summary. Okay. Now day 8 is the last day and I would say this is the most important day. Why? Because now you have practiced everything, you have mastered every technique, you have practiced everything and you are quite confident, you are ready for your exam as well. But this is the day when you are going to do two full tests, one in the morning and one in the evening. You have to do these 2 tests. And once you have done these 2, simply focus on the question types which you are facing problem in on the last day. And that's all. Once you are done with this, you can easily score 80 plus in the 8 days and that's it. So I believe you'll like this video and you'll follow the same timetable. And if you like this video, do let me know in the comment section. And that's it for the 8 days schedule. So thank you very much. I'll see you in the next video.